Møns Klint, a breathtaking natural wonder located on the island of Møn in Denmark, is a mesmerizing destination that offers a unique blend of stunning coastal landscapes, geological wonders, and outdoor exploration. Known for its towering chalk cliffs, rugged coastline, and ancient fossils, Møns Klint offers visitors a chance to connect with nature's beauty and delve into the mysteries of the Earth's history. The main attraction of Møns Klint is, without a doubt, its awe-inspiring chalk cliffs that rise dramatically from the Baltic Sea. These cliffs, reaching heights of up to 128 meters, showcase layers of white chalk and limestone that have been sculpted by the forces of nature over millions of years. The view from the cliff's edge is truly breathtaking, with panoramic vistas of the sea and the surrounding landscape. The changing colors of the cliffs, influenced by the light and weather, add to the enchantment of the area. Exploring the trails and pathways along Møns Klint is a popular activity for visitors. The Geocenter Møns Klint provides valuable information about the geological history of the region, showcasing fossils, interactive exhibits, and informative displays that shed light on the Earth's ancient past. Guided tours and workshops offer deeper insights into the geological formations and the stories they tell. The area is also a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking trails wind through lush forests, meadows, and coastal areas, allowing visitors to experience the diverse landscapes up close. The beach at the base of the cliffs provides a serene spot for relaxation, picnics, and fossil hunting. The waters of the Baltic Sea invite swimmers and kayakers to enjoy the coastal environment from a different perspective. Nature lovers will appreciate the rich biodiversity of the Møns Klint area. The chalk grasslands are home to a variety of plant species, and the surrounding forests offer habitats for wildlife such as deer, hares, and a wide array of bird species. Orchids, butterflies, and other insects thrive in the unique environment. For those seeking tranquility and natural beauty, Møns Klint offers a peaceful retreat away from the bustle of city life. The area's stunning landscapes, geologic wonders, and outdoor activities provide a captivating experience that is both awe-inspiring and rejuvenating. Møns Klint is a destination that seamlessly combines geological fascination, natural beauty, and outdoor exploration. Whether you're gazing at the magnificent chalk cliffs, hiking through diverse landscapes, or learning about Earth's history at the Geocenter, Møns Klint promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Denmark's coastal splendor, the marvels of geology, and the timeless allure of a place shaped by the forces of nature.